Oh, hey, how you doing? Professor Hiccup here. Today we're going to do a special request, a reaction video, and this was requested from our friend Jesse Tom. Jesse Tom requested that we do DeMarco, and the song is called "Love My Life." I'm not familiar with DeMarco, but knowing Jesse Tom, and just for the fact that he said in the request, "Send some island love," I have a feeling this is some Jamaican music. So let's get into this and see what Jesse has sent to us. Oh, by the way, if you don't know who Jesse Tom is, I'm going to leave his link below here in the video. Do me a favor, go check out his stuff. Fantastic channel. Subscribe. Tell him I sent you. That'd be fantastic. I'd appreciate that. All right, so let's get into DeMarco. And one more thing before we get into this video. If you are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free. It costs you absolutely nothing. And not only that, but subscribing is good for your health, it's good for the environment, and it's kitten approved. So I'm just saying, it's a win-win for everyone. All right, so let's get into this. DeMarco, Love My Life, requested by Jesse Tom. Oh, feels like a movie. Oh, she's shaking her head. Not good. DeMarco.
Stalker. I love my life. 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 No, no, we don't know where tomorrow might bring. Cause the future, the hours away. So me, I live my life today. Me, I live my life today. Yeah, so love me, make me talk what I want to talk. Me have enough to say. So me, I live my life today. Me, I live my life today. So everybody have to sing it out. I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. So me, I live my life today. I love my life. I love my life.
Everything is going backwards so far around him. So I have a sneaky suspicion that he's passed away now. So I don't know where they're going to go with that. The style of music here, for those of you who don't know, this is what they call reggae dance hall. You can tell by the bass. Usually a lot of fun music. So far, it's definitely fun music. But the message of this guy, I don't know if he passed away. I don't want to get sad over that. But yeah, let's see where this is going.
I love my life. So me, I live my life today. Make a change, don't make nobody stress you. Don't make no blood pressure, make your life left you. Never you hurt a soul unless you have to defend yourself if them try test you. Thank God for my life, yes. Me wake up this morning and alive, yes. Make them go and judge, nobody no perfect. And Father God alone bring brightness. If you not like come and say, go find the Lord. Me nah no time for the work, a time so hard. Them nah mad me nah gonna psycho ward. Or go join the morgue, enjoy my life for y'all. Few friends when me have wed here to me. Me not trust people, so me choose them carefully. Them are not clean, so them can't come near to me, can't compare to me. None of we don't know where tomorrow might bring. Cause the future, the hours away. So me, I live my life today. Me, I live my life today. Yeah, so love me, make me talk what I want to talk. Me have enough to say. So me gonna live my life today. Me gonna live my life today. So everybody have to sing it out. I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. So me, I live my life today. I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. So me, I live my life today. Sure, never met nobody get the best of you. Look on the person at the mirror on the dresser too. Tell yourself, say you're not gonna make them pressure you. And live life to the fullest that you better do. Just believe me know life not easy. Enough of we never born with gold spoon for feed with. No be greedy, set a pace in a life and achieve it. Listen to me keenly. Love me L-I-F-E until it left me. Me I go and keep happy and I pray to Father God say old age catch me. Me I beg your Father bless me, guide and protect me. For every wrong move that me making on the streets correct me. None of we don't know where tomorrow might bring, cause the future the hours away. So me I live my life today. Me I live my life today. Yeah. So love me make me talk what I want to talk. Me have enough to say. So me gonna live my life today. Me gonna live my life today. So everybody have to sing it out. Me love my life. Me love my life. Me love my life. So me I live my life today. Me love my life. Me love my life. Me love my life. So me I live my life today. Me love my life. Me love my life. Me love my life. So me I live my life today. Me love my life. Me love my life. Me love my life.
Okay, that was a very powerful song, a powerful video. Basically, the lyrics. There's a lot of lyrics to it. Basically, it's saying don't let things get you down. Don't let your blood pressure get so high that it ends up killing you. We pray to God, for things working out, and there's a lot more to it than that. But that's the stuff I can throw at you at the moment. And the video, as he's walking backwards, he's passing all happy experiences until he gets home to his wife when they're struggling with bills. It appears, and he was going to kill himself. And I guess he realized that thankfully, going through time, he decided to live his life. He enjoyed life and to make the best of things the best that you can, which is all that we all can really do. So yeah, that was really a powerful song, powerful message. Thank you, Jesse, for suggesting that. I enjoyed that. And for people who, like I said, if you don't know who Jesse Tom is, go check out his channel, subscribe, and let him know I sent you. And for now, I'm going to have to say that's a wrap.